All right, and we're back again. So here's my new door. I'm going to put one over here as well. So go back to second floor. Don't forget I have this one already here. So I can just, let's see, click on this. Nope. Just trying to make sure I click on the curtain wall, which I think I have now. And then we're going to drag that back. And then put the new curtain wall in. All right, and then let's see, I'll extend here. All right, and again, go back to 3D view. Okay, looks okay. This is kind of up to you. I know it doesn't look the greatest with the mullions not being the same height. You can certainly, get into the details of fixing that if you want to. It's kind of up to you. I'm not going to take my time right now, but we can deal with that later. All right, so like normal, we want to put in a door here. So hit tab till you just see the panel, unpin it, change it to a single door. All right, same idea over here. Unpin it, change it to a door. Oops. Single door. Let's see, unpin that, delete, unpin that, delete, unpin that, delete. What you could do to kind of remove how awkward it looks is just unpin it and delete it. Might look better. It's up to you. I'll just leave them in. All right, I'll change the way they open in just a minute. Let's see, so back here, tab. All right, there we go. Unpin, switch it out. Tab, unpin, swap it out. All right, go to the floor plan view, zoom out, click on the door, change the way it opens. All right, change the way it opens. All right, looks like I forgot to delete out my mullions here at the bottom. Delete this one out as well. All right, and so if you go around this way, again, you see there's a bit of a step up here. So it could be, either a single step or it could be a little bit of a ramp. Depends on how you want to design this. I'm going to make it universal design, so I'm going to put in a ramp. So if we go to, so remember, it's got to go from, for me, it's 8 inches up to, if I click over here, 1 foot 4 7/8. All right. So go to floor, go to architecture tab, go to ramp. All right, we're going to do the run, and it's going to go base offset of 8 inches, and it's going to be, let's see, none, and we want it to go, let's see, we'll make it a little bit wider. Instead of 3 feet, let's make it 4 foot. Oh, that's not 8. So 8 inches, sorry. And let's see. So the top level, let's actually do second floor. So it's the same floor, but then we can go 1 foot 4 7/8. All right, so that way it's going from the second floor, starting at 8 inches and going up to 1 foot 4 7/8. All right, hit apply, and let's see. We go run. Just going to kind of run it along here, and so that's where it's looking like it would go. Hit escape because that's not where I wanted it. I'm going to put it a little bit further back. All right, there we go. And then I'm going to put like a kind of a platform up top here. And let's see. want to make sure to extend this pretty far. Click the green check mark. The line representing the top of the riser does not intersect. So let's see what's going on here. All right, go back to architecture. With image phasing new construction. All right, let's just let's try this over again. All right, so ramp, we're gonna go up to, so starting at 8 inches, we're gonna go up to 1 foot 4 7/8. Run, boundary. All right, let's try it this way. Let's 0 inches incline ramp, 8 feet 12, 8 inches. Let's just say okay, and let's see what we created here. All right, so we do have our ramp. The only thing I don't have is a landing, so I want to make sure I create the landing here. And you know what? I think I know what I need to do here. So let's go back and redo this. So let's go back to here, click on this, delete it. Let's go to ramp. Same thing. All right, so I'm gonna, oops, remember it needs to be second floor. All right, there we go. All right, so we're gonna go not the whole way, and then at the very end, I'm gonna just go most of the way and then come over here and turn. All right. And that way I can maybe move this, so I can align this to here. Okay, it says line is too short, delete element. Maybe I'll drag that to here. Extend. Put in a line connecting these two. All right. Then even pull this one out a bit. See what happens. All right, so looks like we've got a bit more of what looks like would work here. And so now I can go back to the second floor, drag this kind of more in place. And now it's pretty much as wide as the door. I can even kind of maybe edit it a little bit. So double click on it, pull this down a little bit more, and then hit the green check mark, and now align. So here to here, and then here. Oops. Didn't want to do that. Let's try that again. Here and here. Oops. So align here and here. Okay. And now what I can do is maybe edit. So I can, again, use the align tool here and here and say green check mark. Okay. So now if I go back, pretty much have it. All right. There is this little kind of awkward gap here, but if I wanted to close that up a bit, I could. I could go back, double click, and maybe drag this out a little bit, make it even a wider ramp. Probably not get rid of that gap altogether, but now I have a ramp that's plenty wide enough and will definitely work for our situation. And then I can put in another ramp over here, same idea. All right, So go to second floor. I can mirror, pick an axis. I'll just pick this axis because it's pretty much the same exact thing, just on the other side. Go back to 3D view, and there we have it. All right. So now we have our access to the green roof. And now what we want to do is actually put in a walking path on the green roof and some shrubbery. So what you can do is you click here, and we go to massing and site. Let's just go to the second floor, actually. Zoom out. Click on the green roof. Again, go to massing and site. We want to be able to make a subregion. Oh, but we need to have a topo surface. All right, I see. Let's see. Come back and do that. Just